Are you ready to elevate your personal finance game? Welcome to Profitify, the ultimate destination for mastering personal finance. Today, we're going to supercharge your financial journey with 10 incredibly clever personal finance rules. These rules are game changers you won't want to miss. Rule 1. Pay yourself first. It's a simple yet powerful concept. Before you pay any bills or expenses, ensure you set aside a portion of your income for savings or investments. Treat your savings as a non-negotiable expense. Rule 2. Budget like a boss. Budgeting doesn't have to be a chore. Think of it as your financial GPS. Allocate your money to different categories like necessities, savings, and leisure, then stick to it. Rule 3. Live below your means. This is the cornerstone of financial success. Just because you can afford something doesn't mean you should buy it. Opt for a lifestyle that allows you to save and invest for the future, rather than indulging in unnecessary luxuries. Rule 4. Invest early and often. Time is your best friend when it comes to investing. Start as early as possible and make it a habit. The earlier you begin, the more time your money has to grow and compound. Rule 5. Diversify your investments. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Spread your investments across various asset classes like stocks, bonds, real estate, and cryptocurrencies. Diversification helps reduce risk and enhances your chances of long-term success. Rule 6. Automate your finances. Harness the power of technology to simplify your financial life. Set up automatic transfers for savings, investments, and bill payments. This way you'll stay on track without the hassle of manual interventions. Rule 7. Embrace frugality. Frugality is about being mindful of your spending without compromising your quality of life. Hunt for deals, buy used items, and prioritize experiences over material possessions. Rule 8. Avoid debt like the plague. High-interest debt can cripple your financial journey. Avoid it whenever possible and focus on paying off existing debts quickly. Remember, every penny spent on interest is money you could have saved or invested. Rule 9. Continuously educate yourself. Stay updated with the latest trends and strategies in personal finance. Read books, listen to podcasts, and follow credible financial experts to expand your knowledge and make informed decisions. And finally, Rule 10. Practice gratitude. Cultivate an attitude of gratitude towards your finances. Appreciate what you have, and focus on abundance rather than scarcity. Gratitude can help curb unnecessary spending and foster contentment. And there you have it. 10 clever personal finance rules to elevate your financial game. Remember, Rome wasn't built in a day. Take your time implementing these rules and watch your financial future flourish. Thanks for tuning in to Profitify.